Now we will continue one more video. Classification of elements. Elements are broadly classified into four types. That is metals, non-metals, metalloids, and noble gases. Finally, noble gases. Fourth one is noble gases. How to define metal? Simply, the metal is an element which is easily forms positively charged ions by losing one or more electrons and forms basic oxides. The metal is an element which is easily forms positively charged ions by losing one or more electrons and forms basic oxides is called metals. Or the metal is an element, it shows some physical properties like lustrous, malleability, ductility, conductivity, sonority, melting and boiling points. Then the elements are called, it considered as a metal. Or one more definition, if the elements less than 3 valency electrons present in its outermost shell, it considered as a metal. Now I am taking simple definition here. Electropositive elements are called metals. Same here. Electronegative elements are called non-metal. Okay, the non-metal is an element which is easily forms negatively charged ions by gaining one or more electrons and form acidic oxide and as well as in neutral oxides. Or one more definition, the non-metal is an element which having more than 5 valency electrons, 5 or more than 5 valency electrons present in its outermost shell, it considered as a non-metal. There is some properties like here, malleability, lustrous, ductility, melting and boiling point, density, tensile strength, etc. So what is malleability, sir? It is one of the property of a metal. It can be beaten into thin sheets. It can be beaten into thin sheets is called malleability. Lustrous means you can cut the surface of the metal. It will shining surface. Simply shining surface of the elements are called lustrous property. Or when a light is passes through any metallic object, it will reflect. And here ductility, it can be drawn into fine wires. The most ductile element is gold. The most lustrous property is, all metals are lustrous property. Melting and boiling point, high melting and boiling points, high density, high tensile strength. They have high this solids at room temperature. Liquid metal is mercury. They are soft metals, etc. Example for metals, so many is there. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, iron, copper, silver, gold, etc. These non-metals does not show these like properties like non-malleable, non-ductile, non-lustrous, non-ductile, low melting and boiling point, a high melting and boiling point here, a low melting and low boiling points, low tensile strength, low density, here also one more property, sonority, non-sonorous. Example for non-metals, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus, chlorine, iodine, etc. What is metalloids? Some elements exhibits both metallic and non-metallic properties, or it is intermediate between metals and non-metals are called metalloids. Some elements exhibit both metallic and non-metallic properties, are called metalloids. Example for metalloids, boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium, polonium. Noble gases, the gases which are available in trace quantity or little quantity in the atmosphere is called noble gases. The gases are present in lesser quantity or trace quantity, in the atmosphere is called noble gases. Example for noble gases, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Okay, this is information about classification of elements. Thank you.